Well, hello there, my friend. I was poking around on the internet and was obviously watching and learning and doing whatever else, but found it kind of an interesting thing here. I'm going to add the clip in and voice over it or behind it, I guess. So, somewhere around this year, February 17th, we're going to have what many are going to call planetary alignment. Uh, and you'll see as I post this, I'm doing the video first, and then I'll do the images behind it, but or after it. Um, they're not really in a line. Uh, they'll be uh, in the sky at the same time, kind of in a line. They're not going to be in a straight line, but all the planets in our solar system, including uh, Iris and well, the two dwarf planets. I can't think of the other one right now. Yeah, all the planets will be in the sky, kind of more like in an arc than a straight line, but it'll even have the two, well, all three dwarf planets, because Pluto's not a planet anymore, as we all know. But it'll have Ceres and Iris. Now, uh, I think Ceres is about the same size as Pluto, and Iris is about half the size. It's just a little thing. But, anyways, from southwest to northeast, looking towards the sun, so we won't be able to see them. But they will all be facing or in the sun side facing of the planet or Earth, starting on right around February 17th, maybe the 16th. When I move the scale, as you can see, the planets are pretty close to the horizon. So go a day forward or 2 days forward or 2 days back, you kind of lose Pluto or Jupiter. So as you can see here in this footage, I guess I call it that, they're not really in a line. They're not aligned in the sky, and they're definitely not aligned in the solar system. It's just many people tend to call them planetary alignments because we see them out in the sky at the same time. They're not really in alignment. Actually, we just had, if you want to go with planetary alignments, just about 4 or 5 days ago, Mars, Mercury, the Sun, and us were lined up, linear, looking at the solar system from above. But at the end of the video here, I'm going to include. We had a big C.M.E. I'll try to get some footage of that, and if I remember to incorporate that. That was, from my best guess, was definitely Earth faced. And then I said something about Sunday, Monday, which I'm making this video today, but according to the annual predictor, it looks like they moved it out to like Wednesday. So anyways, sometime this week, depends on how fast it goes, we're going to get a pretty good dose of love light energy from the sun. There's nothing to fear. There will be people out there saying, radioactive and blackouts and whatever. Like I said before, and I'll say it again, turn them off. Sun is our friend. It's not our enemy. And we'll see how this goes. I made this video. Now I'm going to do some editing, and hopefully I can make these things mesh together. So my brain got going, and I was curious about which planet comes up first, which planet goes down first, all that. The order of them, if it meant anything or anything. So here's a interesting tidbit of information. It's just a screenshot. It's all included here as I talk. But Pluto's the first to go down over the horizon, and Jupiter is the last to come up over. And I looked this up and just did a Google search, and I found it kind of interesting to see what the results were. With the purest of love, I send to you, my friend, and may you have a delightful rest of your day. Oh, I almost forgot to add. Here's the footage. I can't remember exactly how long of a clip, but it's that pretty impressive CME that popped off towards us.